Hey everybody, Ed here from Wanderlust. Today I am joined by my trusty mascot for Anderson and Harvey called Bakari. Bakari has traveled all over the world with me, so he's going to come and help tell the story about Anderson and Harvey. First of all, Anderson and Harvey, end-to-end high-end DMC in East Africa. Whatever you need, they can do it for you from start to finish. Number two, they are only B2B. That means that your brand comes first, and it's not about collecting your clients' email addresses and sending them newsletters afterwards. We deal with you, the trade. So with that said, we do your company logo on the back on the back covers of the vehicles. We do your logo on the side decals of the vehicle. Each guest get a beautiful hat that will also put your logo on. The steel water bottles have got your company logo on with your clients' names. Then we also wrap up beautifully a Masai blanket for each guest, even for you, Bakari. We wrap up these beautiful gifts. Already your guests feel like a complete rock star. Now let's move inside the vehicle. Inside, you get a specialist guide, not just a driver guide. You get you don't need to look over your shoulder on a cracked screen for the birding app. We've got iPads and tablets in the vehicle. Don't forget the free Wi-Fi. So we've already got all of that loaded on you. Makes for a super interactive experience. Then don't fight about the one plug point that might or might not work in the front of the vehicle. Next to each seat, you've got USB plug points. You can charge your phones and your cameras. No worries at all. In the back of the vehicle, we've got a fully stocked fridge. We'll stock it according to their likes. Not like other people, just soft drinks and water. We can put gin and tonics, wine, ice cold Kilimanjaros, for sure. We can do that. Lastly, from a commercial point of view, we give you line by line net rate breakdown quotations. Very few people will do that for you. We also, at the time of inquiry, we already hold the space for you. What's the need to go through a whole quotation process if there's no availability? So we go that extra mile, and that's all done by your dedicated consultant who will set up a WhatsApp group with your guide and the operations people in country together with your consultant. So everybody knows what's happening, and it's golden to see your clients next to your logo in the middle of the Serengeti with a gin and tonic. Cheers to that. That is amazing. So if we can tell you more about it, let us know. Send us an email on sales@wanderlustbdc.com, and we would love to tell you more. Thanks, everybody.